Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. Here we see a gorgeous pixie haircut. This one features some very nice bangs going there in the front. Beautiful choppy texture throughout. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have this full-on blonde pixie bob haircut style. There is the before and there is the after. Absolutely stunning makeover. Wow, look at this pixie style. So this one has a nice rainbow coloring mixed in. Very unique and bold style idea. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. I just love the hair coloring. And then we have another pixie. She's got a lot of volume going in with this one, a lot of texture throughout with the cutting. Beautiful asymmetrical shape. And then we see another long to pixie transformation. Beautiful feathered bangs. And then we have a short and sweet pixie style. She's got the swoop bangs with this one to frame out the face. Very nice. So the next transformation features someone heading to the salon. And she ends up getting a nice classic longer pixie style. Next up, we have a blonde Pixie Makeover. I really like the color on this. It's more of like an ash blonde, which is a very popular hair color trend at the moment. Stylist adds some bangs to kind of frame out the face. She can play around with the placement. And she ends up doing more of a choppy texture here. Very nice. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all the hairstyle ideas today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.